In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice chat in the ChatGPT app on your phone. To get started, open the ChatGPT app on your phone and make sure the app has fully loaded. If you are not already signed in, go ahead and sign into your ChatGPT account. This is important because it gives you access to your chats and lets you continue conversations more easily. Once you're inside the app, look for the voice or headphone icon. The exact icon may vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but it will be the option that starts voice mode. Tap that icon to begin. If this is your first time using voice chat, your phone may ask for permission to access the microphone. Make sure to allow microphone access or the app will not be able to hear you. This is a normal one-time setup step on most devices. After that, you can start speaking to ChatGPT naturally. You do not need to use special commands or robotic phrasing. Just talk the way you normally would, clearly and at a comfortable pace. For the best experience, try to speak in a quiet environment so your phone can pick up your voice more accurately. Once you finish speaking, ChatGPT will process your request and respond out loud. Listen to the spoken response carefully, especially if you are asking for instructions, explanations, or help with something detailed. Voice chat is designed to feel more like a conversation, so it can be a faster and more convenient way to get answers when you do not want to type. If you want to continue the conversation, simply ask follow-up questions by speaking again. You can clarify your request, ask for a simpler explanation, or build on the previous answer. This makes the interaction feel smooth and natural, almost like talking with a helpful assistant in real time. When you are finished, end the voice session in the app. This stops the active conversation and helps you avoid accidentally recording extra background speech. After the session ends, you can review the chat transcript if you want to check what was discussed. This is especially useful if ChatGPT gave you steps, recommendations, or information you may want to revisit later. And that's how to use voice chat in the ChatGPT app on your phone. Once you try it a few times, it becomes a very easy and convenient way to interact hands-free.